good, Mommy.
It's good? Oh, good.
The spoon easier, Mommy.
Yeah. You're still slurping, but you're not going anymore. Are you dancing?
The spoon easier.
Yeah, the spoon is easier to use to get soup than the fork, huh?
Even fork easier, not easier.
Yeah, the fork's not easier.
Yeah.
Did you just burp? Did you burp?
No.
Oh, okay. Were you saying something? Were you saying, yeah?
Got some soup, Mommy.
Yeah, I know. You got lots of soup. You were slurping. Do you hear that? What's that noise?
Daddy.
Yeah, is Daddy home?
Hi, Daddy.
Yeah, okay.
Daddy.
Caleb, the garage door just opened. He's not coming yet. He's coming soon. Okay.
It's coming, Mommy.
He's coming, I know. I know, and we could tell him what a good job you did on your dinner.
Daddy soup.
Yeah, don't worry. We'll get Daddy some soup, too. Is it hot?
No. Got some a lot of soup.
Yeah, you got a lot of soup.
Big one, Mommy.
A big one. Wow.
Mommy, I've got a big one, Mommy.
I know,
Oh,
Caleb.
got a Daddy, some soup, Daddy. Daddy,
Hi,
Daddy,
Kayla.
soup. Daddy,
Uh-huh.
soup.
Soup?
Yeah.
You drinking soup?
Yeah.